Hey guys, just giving it. And today we have more Pokemon card openings because you guys really seem to like the last one. It is my third best video now. Two Ultra Prism Sun and Moon packs with 6 packs, both them, and then two of the pins or two of the coins, and then the special card. So yeah, let's open up the first one. And we're going to start by opening up this one. So yeah, let's go. And here are our 3 packs. Leafeon, Ultra Necrozma, Lunala form, whichever one that was, and Giratina. And let's show you the other stuff. So here's the coin. I can't tell what it is. It might be a Palkia or a Dialga. Not exactly sure. And here's the code for the pack. And this is the hollow Alolan Vulpix that goes with it. So yeah, it looks pretty cool. And these cards actually look real. So yeah, let's see what these first set of cards is. Opening up the Leafeon pack. Here's the code. And then our cards are Psychic Energy, a Hunt Crowd, a Mount Coronet, a Turtonator, that's pretty cool, a Lickitung, a Scorpy, Gibble, Dewpider, Shinx, Hollow Lickitung, and what is that? A Rainbow Lana. That's good. Gotta admit, good for the first pack. A Rainbow Lana. Wow. You can barely see it, but look, here's the white star. If this camera will focus, you might or might not be able to see it, but there's the white star. So this is a really rare card. So that's cool. Okay, let's move on to the next pack. Okay, opening up the Ultra Necrozma Lunala pack. Here's the code. And this pack has a Dark Energy, a Cranidos, Pokemon Fan Club, Monferno, Sneasel, Carnivine, Bernie, Chimchar, Passimian. Whoa, what's that? Whoa. Oh my god, what's behind this? Oh, Yellow and Sand Slashes are rare. So, yeah, who cares about that card for now? But look at this. Look at this. This is so cool. Is this, Primal Giratina? Or what even is this? Oh my god, that's crazy. Ability Chaotic Star. When you play this Pokemon from your hand onto the bench during your turn, you may attach 2 energy cards from your hand to it. Wow, this is cool. Oh, Prism Star card. Okay. You can't have more than one Prism card with the same name in your deck. If a Prism card would go to this. Okay, I don't play the game, but that is a really cool card. Okay, on to the last pack of the first box or whatever. Here's your code, and the cards are in Electric Energy, Pokemon Fan Club, Monferno, Hold on. Okay, Monferno, Honchkrow, Chimchar, Magmar, Morlul, Baneri, Electabuzz. I think that's our Holo Palpad, and Alolan Executor as our Executor as our rare. So yeah, that's it for the first box. Let's move on to the second box now, or the second whatever this is. Yay, we have identical twin coins. Here's our code card for the whole box thingy. And here is the Porygon Z hollow or reverse hollow, not exactly sure. That came from the box. So now let's open the packs. Okay, the pack that we just opened was another Ultra Necrozma Lunala, but the one that we opened before that was a Giratina. Forgot to tell you that. But here is our code for the pack. And our cards are Dark Energy, Electric Memory, a Floatzel, a Skuntank, a Shinx, Cobatus, Snover, Glameow, Cherubi, Granados, and a Hitmonchan. So yeah, let's move on to the next pack. Okay, we got yet another Ultra Necrozma Lunala, the code, and these cards kind of spilled out of it, so I'm not going to do that trick so that rare will be last, so it probably won't be last. Glacemeow, Snover, Magnemite, Hollow Drifloon, yeah, the rare's probably going to be next. Licky, yeah, that's not the best rare in the world. Fairy Energy, Mount Coronet again, Honchkrow, Morlul, Drifloon, and Monferno. So yeah, let's go on to the last pack of all of them, actually. And this last pack is our one and only Ultra Necrozma Solgaleo. The code. And the cards are a Dark Energy, Mars, Lopunny, Manphy. That's actually pretty cool. Oh, it's only a diamond. Weird. I know it's not rare, but still. Eevee, Weasel, Lickitung, Execute, Cosmog, that's cool. Hollow Bronzong, and a reverse hollow maybe? Magnezone. Not exactly sure, but maybe it might be a hollow, but okay, so yeah, that's all the cards. So first our two whole card things from both the boxes was the Porygon Z, which is actually pretty cool, and Alolan Vulpix. And the good cards, both of them, because there's only two of them, come from Alolan Vulpix pack. And here they are. The Lana's the rarer one, which I think this is very cool, by the way, still. I love it. Yeah, it's really cool. As look, on the camera you can still see the rainbow. And this Giratina. Just cause, just look at it. It looks really good. And again, it's only a rare, but still. A rare hollow is pretty rare. Okay, Lana will do the outro. Okay, guys, this video is gonna be done. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to Gamer Nate. Bye-bye!